in this video, we will talk on how to add matrices. So, one thing to consider in adding matrices is their size, because we are not allowed to add matrices if their size are dissimilar. So, dapat same lang yung sizes ng ating matrices. So, meron tayong matrix A, matrix B, at matrix C. So, in our matrix A, meron siyang size na 3 by 3 kasi meron siyang 3 rows and 3 columns. Ganon din sa ating matrix or matrix B, meron din siyang 3 by 3 na size kasi meron din siyang 3 rows and 3 columns. But on our matrix C, yung size niya is 3 by 2 kasi nga yung rows niya is 3 at meron din siyang dalawang columns. So, meaning, in these 3 matrices, yung pwede lang nating ma-add is yung matrix A and matrix B, but we are not allowed to add matrix A and C or matrix B and C kasi dissimilar yung size nila. So, pangalawang bagay na dapat natin i-consider in adding matrices is that we will just only add the elements in its matching position. So, for our matrix A, which is small letter na A, i-add lang natin siya sa A ng matrix B natin. Then, B for matrix A to B in matrix B. So, small letter C on our matrix A and C on our matrix B. So, yun lang yung i-add natin, yung similar position. So, we have here exercise number 1 and we will perform in adding matrix A and matrix B. So, first, we'll simply write A plus B equal sign, then 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3. So, magpo-provide lang tayo ng space. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, copy E plus B equal sign, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, negative 1 minus plus 1 is equal to 0, 3 plus 3 is equal to 9, 3 plus 2 is equal to 6, negative 2 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 6. Yes, negative 5 rather. So, this would be the answer of E plus B. So, meron tayong exercise number 2. Medyo mahirap siya, pero we'll try our best. So, ang sabi dito, find E, B, C, and D from this given problem. So, as I understand this problem, it simply state that E plus B is equal to 4 kasi parehas yung position nila, meaning E plus B is equal to 4, C plus D is equal to 6, C minus D is equal to 10, A minus B is equal to 2. So, for me to be able to find the value of A and B, I'll simply copy A plus B equals 4, A minus B equals 2. So, A plus B is equal to 4, then A minus B is equals to 2, Then, combine these two equation. Combine like term. A plus A is equal to 2A. Positive B minus B is equal to 0. So, huwag na natin kopyahin. 4 plus 2, 6. So, 2A will divide both side by 2. Cancel natin, leaving us with A. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So, the value of our A is equal to 3. Then, we will substitute the value of 3 to either of these two equations. So, I'll choose equation number 1, which is A plus B is equal to 4. Substitute the value of A, which is 3, plus B. 3 plus B is equal to 4. Then add both side by the inverse of positive 3, which is negative 3. Cancel natin to, bring down B. Then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So the value of our B is equal to 1. To check if the value of A is equal to 3 and the value of B is 1, we will substitute these two value to either of these two equation. So, ang gagamitin natin parehas. Pag nag-equal yung equation, meaning to say that 3 and 1 is the value of A and B respectively. So, A plus B is equal to 4. Substitute the value of A, which is 3. Value of B, 4. So, equal sila dito. Then, equation 2, A minus B is equal to 2. Substitute the value of A, which is 3. Value of B, which is 1. 2. So, 2 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, equal sila dito, then equal din dito. Meaning, the value of A, which is 3, and the value of B, which is 1, are correct. So, the value of B is equal to 1. And A is equal to 3. So, same process lang gagawin natin to find the value of C and D. So, C plus D is equal to 6. C minus D is equal to 10. So, kung elimination method yung ginawa natin dito, on finding the value of C and D, we will use substitution method. So, C plus D, kopyahin natin. Then, we will solve for one variable. So, to do that, we will choose which variable. So, let's solve for variable D. Then, isolate lang natin siya on the left side of our equation. Then, we will subtract the inverse of our C, which is negative C, or add the inverse of C, which is negative C, both side. Side natin siyang is add. So, cancel na to. Bring down D, negative C, plus 6. So, silang to Then, kopyahin natin yung second equation, which is C minus D is equal to 10. Then, substitute the value of D to the variable D on our second equation. C minus, so, minus C plus 6, this one is C, negative times negative C is equal to positive C, negative times positive 6 is equal to negative 6, combined like terms, C plus C is equal to 2C, copy negative 6, negative 10. So then we will add both side by the inverse of negative 6, which is positive 6. So bring down 2C, cancel lang natin to, 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. Then divide both side by 2, cancel this 2, leaving us with C is equal to 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So nakuha na natin yung value ng C. Then we will substitute the value of C to either equation 1 or equation 2. We will use equation 1, which is C plus D is equal to 6. So yung value ng yung 8 natin is isusubstitute natin dito sa variable C natin. So 8 plus D is equal to 6. Then add both side by the inverse of 8, which is negative 8. Cancel, bring down D. 6 minus 8 is equal to negative 12. So yung value ng C natin is equal to 8. Then yung D natin is equal to negative 2. So check natin, substitute the value of C, substitute the value of C and value of D to our to either equation 1 and equation 2. So C plus D is equal to 6. Value of C is 8. The value of D is equal to negative 2. 8. So this will turn to negative 2. 6. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So equal siya. Then equation 2, which is C minus D is equal to 10. Kopyahin natin, C minus D equals 10. So the value of C, substitute lang natin, which is 8. Then the value of D, which is negative 2. Okay. So 8. Negative times negative 2 is equal to positive 2. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So as you can see, they are equal, meaning 8 as the value of C and negative 2 as D is correct.